Morning Live and Terra Greenhouses have teamed up to help your gardens grow. Have a gardening-related question you would like to ask? Now is your chance.
So this week's question is from Barb in Burlington. She asked, how soon after bulb plants have finished blooming can I cut the green leaves off to make room for annual plantings?
For newer gardeners, knowing how and when to cut a plant is one of the most intimidating aspects of gardening. I'm your garden pal, Kris from Terra, and here are my tips for cutting back your spring bulbs. Spring bulbs are pretty unique. All of the energy the plant needs to grow and thrive is packed into that single little bulb, and all of the energy that it took to create all these leaves and the beautiful flowers we enjoyed, well, we need to allow it time to go back into that bulb so that it can perform next year. One of my earliest flowering tulips is down here, and it's died back pretty significantly. Once these leaves have yellowed and gotten crispy, no problem, we can trim that. Over here I've got some fritillaria, and it's sort of a borderline at this stage. The foliage has yellowed, which is great, but I'd like to wait for it to be a little bit farther died back before I remove it completely. So I'm actually going to take it about halfway and allow it to camouflage in with the rest of the plants in this garden so that it's not quite so unsightly. So the key takeaway here when it comes to spring bulbs, leave as much there as you can for as long as you can stand it. And as you become a more advanced gardener, consider planting other things around your bulbs so that as they fade, the other perennials and things around them start to really fill in. So you start to camouflage that fading foliage and it becomes less of an eyesore and a little bit easier to leave for longer.
Submit your questions to chch.com/askagardener and your inquiry could be answered right here on Morning Live.
Watch Friday mornings at 6:25 for more tips from gardening expert Kris Morettie.